Welcome! In this lesson, you'll learn daily prompts, small conversations you can have with your AI every day. The secret? A short chat every day about the weather, the time, a joke. Everything counts. These small conversations build your language skills without feeling like learning. Part 1. Weather. Ask the AI about the weather. A perfect daily conversation starter.
How is the weather today?
Today it is sunny and warm, around 22 degrees. Perfect weather for a walk.
Will it rain today? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Do I need an umbrella today?
Yes, better take an umbrella with you. It could rain in the afternoon.
How cold is it outside? How warm will it be today? Is it snowing today?
Your turn. How is the weather this week?
Part 2. Time and date. Practice time expressions with your AI.
What time is it?
It's now 2:30 p.m., 2:30 in the afternoon.
What day is today?
Today is Thursday, November 28th.
What is the date today? What month is now? What year is it? What season is now? When is sunrise?
Your turn. When is sunset?
Part 3. Jokes and facts. Let us tell you something entertaining.
Tell me a joke.
Why are ghosts so bad at lying? Because you can see through them.
Tell me another joke. Do you have a funny joke? Tell me a pun joke. Tell me an interesting fact.
Did you know that honey never goes bad? Archaeologists have found 3,000-year-old honey that was still edible.
Give me a fact about animals.
Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump, but they have an excellent memory.
Tell me something surprising. Give me a fact about history.
Your turn. Tell me a fact about languages.
Part 4. Everyday life. Practical questions for your day.
What should I cook today?
How about a simple pasta dish? Spaghetti with tomato sauce is quick and delicious.
Give me a recipe idea. What should I eat for breakfast? What can I do today?
You could go for a walk, read a book, or listen to a new podcast. What do you like?
Give me a tip for today. What should I learn today? Please motivate me.
You're doing great. Every day you learn something new. Stay tuned.
Your turn. Wish me a nice day.
Part 5. Demo conversation. This is what your daily chat with the AI could look like.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How is the weather today?
The sun is shining today. Perfect for a walk. Do you already have plans?
I don't know yet. What should I do today? Good idea. Tell me one more joke before I go.
What does a pirate do on the computer? He presses the enter key. Arranged by.
Haha, that was good. Thanks. See you later.
See you later. Have a wonderful day.
Quick repeat. Say these sentences out loud.
Your turn. How is the weather today? Your turn. What time is it? Your turn. What day is today? Your turn. Tell me a joke. Your turn. Tell me an interesting fact. Your turn. What should I cook today? Your turn. Please motivate me. Your turn. Good morning.
Excellent. You have now learned many daily prompts. The key is a quick chat every day. In the next lesson, you'll learn how the AI can quiz you, perfect for testing your knowledge.